Okay guys, welcome. This is my view for this afternoon. I think it's afternoon or it's past lunchtime. It's 12. So just with my feet laying down and watching some Netflix videos, YouTube. Daming pwedeng panoorin sa ating 65-inch na TV na Samsung na super laki, na parang nasa cinema na tayo, at nilagay pa ito sa aming kwarto. So very talaga, super comfortable, super nice. Pag 65 inches yung TV nyo, huwag nyo nang hindi na dapat yung mga 42 or 45 or 55, isagad nyo na 65 at 45,000 pesos. May mga mas mura nito, yung full HD na or 4K television, mga 30 plus thousand. Pero ito yung napili ko, yung 4K QLED QLED. So try natin to play some 4K videos. See that at your very convenient room, at your bedroom yan, or watching some Netflix videos. Pero hindi ko pwedeng i-play yung sobrang ganda. Hindi ko pwede play yung mga Netflix dito kasi ma-foul tayo sa sa mga licenses at mga copyrights, ganun. Wow, very nice stream of water sa mga leaves na dyan. Yan. So siguro natanong nyo kung anong TV or type of TV or brand na TV ito na 65. So let's see kung anong TV. Ito nga pala yung kanya remote. Yan. It's a very nice remote kasi solar siya. And then yan yung very very simple. Simplihan lang yung ginawa nila. Konting buttons lang. So super liit sa TV, super laki din na 65. So tingnan natin ng yung TV natin, kung anong name nating TV. Settings. So wag nang click settings. Dito na tayo sa all settings. Ayan. Tapos go to support. Dami dito about the TV. So yan lang about the TV. So kita niyo yung word na Samsung. Please contact Samsung. Ayan, visit www.samsung.com. So about the TV, this is a Samsung TV. And then yung model naman niya is QA65 Q60 DAG QQ XXP. So Q, starting from Q, si QLED talaga yan. It's a QLED TV. Ayan. So nakita niyo yung serial number ko. Yan, di nyo naman siguro gamitin yan, o safe na naman siguro yung mga numbers dyan kahit minapakita ko. Let's close this one. So yan. So while nagpe-play din sa background yun while while I'm scrolling or doing something with my settings. Yan So very convenient to use yung TV na to. We have many things to do, like picture setup, sound mode quality, yan, sound output. You can have your speaker BTS or receiver, but that is the sound output, the default. And then the picture setup, tingnan natin, sharpness, color, tint, contrast, yan. Picture mode, film mode, dynamic. Grabe naman itong dynamic. Dito na tayo sa picture mode. Dito tayo sa standard. Yan lang naman yan, no? Pwede nating gamitin. We can also have multi-view here. Split screens din dito. Turo ko yan in the different video. So yan lang muna yung aking ipapakita. At kung may katanungan kayo, just send a message or send a quick comment down below this video. So ayan, very nice. Yung sound quality pala ito, tingnan natin. Walang sound. Let's play a sound. Walang sound siya. So let's go back to YouTube. Yung may mga nature sound or Amazing Universe Galaxy. Try natin yung wow. Again, let's play. Saan ba yung nag-play kanina? Parang ito ata yun. Walang sound dito. Anong video yun? Walang let's try this. What the nice one. Very nice, no? Very nice. Talagang very crisp yung ano. Ano ba yung nag-play ng yung music? Saan ba? Ito siguro. Okay. Ganda din yung ano niya. Yung sound quality. Pero ginagamitan ko din ito minsan, no? Ito. Yung super powerful na speaker. Pero maganda din siya. Alright, that's all for today, guys. The Samsung QLED 65 and ano pala, yung price pala nito is 45,000 pesos, almost 46,000 pesos. Nabili ko daw sa appliance store. That's all for today.